The table's spill proof and water on it. Easy to clean off and weather resistant. Simple to fold down by pulling of the string. The catering table for all your needs. We're going to show you what you get inside the box, how to set it up, and what it's used for. Outdoor Indoor Bistro Cocktail Table, 27.5-inch diameter circle, 1.7 inch in depth of the table by 43 inches in height, give or take. Check online for further details about the product, the colors and makes and sizes they come in. We're going to unbox it, show you what it's about. The table's nicely packaged and wrapped and protected all around. This table comes in white, made of plastic, aluminum, tie wrap for protection and shipment with an instruction guide to go over. Cut your tie wraps off. It has a warning label on the side and some assembly will be required. Showing on the table that you simply lift and open. A cutlet pin, spring loaded, locks the table in place on one side only. With one of the legs simply place on to one side. Pressing each of the buttons in so it slides down and locks into place. Each leg is different. One is on the side and one is in the front. Place on the corresponding to the correct area and lock down. Repeat the same process of pressing in and sliding down. To fold up and remove for storage, simply press each of the buttons and pull off. They easily snap into place. We turn the table upside down, right side up. It has a nice height that you can simply stand and put your cocktails, drinks, hors d'oeuvres, ornaments, flowers, anything imaginable. It is a nice table in white. A cloth can go over for decoration and more. The pin is located on the bottom right. Pull, push, and fold. Pull the pin, push, and fold away. You're looking to set up a table as simple as 1, 2, 3. It's a nice stand-up cocktail table that you can put anything imaginable on. Dress it up with snacks. Planning a party or just need extra room and tables? Setting up for a barbecue. You're ready to go. Use it for a planter and when cooking, put your food around. The large size cocktail table for your needs, your catering needs. A table that you need to have for barbecues, indoor and outdoor events. It stands nice and tall, 43 plus inches, 27.5 inches in diameter with 1.5 inches made of plastic and alloyed aluminum metal. Very easy to disassemble, fold down, and store, and take out for the next time. I hope you enjoy your table, no matter where you use it and how you use it. Enjoy your party table if this is right for you.